Hi guys, I got the washing machine cleaner tablet. So right now I haven't used it, but I already use it. I already used this brand I think last year. Yeah, because I saw this one in Amazon last year. That's why I try it, and it really deodorized the washing machine. But I don't know, maybe I'm going to try this one again on this weekend, because I know I don't have plan to wash, but I will show you guys how it look like inside. You know, it's just like a tablet, like the usual the tablet cleaner, because I usually use this when I know that I'm going to wash the dog's blanket. So after I wash the dog's blanket, I clean the tub with this, and it really disinfect or deodorize the washing machine. It make it smell fresh again, you know, because sometimes if you don't clean it, your washing machine smells like mildew. Yeah, so it's good for 1 year, so you can use it twice a month. But since mine, I already deodorized it, I already cleaned it last week, so I'm going to wait to use this product again. But I really recommended this, guys, because I tried this one last year. I buy it, you know, but this one I requested from the seller, because I know that how good is this one. It's been proven to me, but it's still up to you guys. Okay, you can do your decision. I mean, you decide. Thank you. Bye.